Hi, my name is Dianne. Ramen bowl is basically originated from Japan, where they add a very soft, subtle tasting soup, just a little noodles, and then you can add different condiments. You can add vegetables, different kinds of meats, and you can make it a vegetarian. So basically this is very close to my heart, which is pretty expensive in a lot of restaurants and hotels. Particular ramen bowl would cost from 900 and it can go all the way to 2000 for just to have a simple ramen bowl, which can be made at home. It has very simple ingredients. It's made of the base layer of the soup. We just keep boiling the soup with whatever vegetables or meats you prefer, and that's the base of your soup. And then you have noodles and you add in all the other condiments, and that's basically what I would do today for the ramen bowl. Let's get on to cooking and we can get into the kitchen and complete this dish. So for the ingredients, I've taken half kg chicken with bone, then it's coriander, black peppercorns, garlic, 5 to 6 pods, 1 egg, salt as per your taste. I've taken egg noodles because I think it adds more flavor. I've taken Chinese lettuce, not the regular lettuce, because Chinese lettuce is a little more soft. Also taken a little of the sesame seed oil and dark soy sauce and a little sweet paprika. This is just a condiment that I've added at the end. Once the bowl is ready, this is seaweed, this is optional, it's not required. If you want, you can add carrots, you can add tofu, you can add paneer. You can, if you don't like a boiled egg, you can fry the egg, anything. Your toppings are basically whatever you like. Poondu, that is kothimili with the root, onion leeks and pepper. Poondu, இது ஸ்மூத்தா வர தேவையில்ல, just நல்லா ஸ்மாஷ் பண்ணோம். Less than half teaspoon pepper add. Is the base for the ramen bowl. Gas on பண்ணுங்க. Once இது கொஞ்சம் சூடாயிச்சு, 1.5 teaspoon oil போட்டா போதும். Because the chicken will anyway leave கொஞ்சம் oil. Prepare பண்ண paste இது உள்ள போடணும். ரொம்ப fry பண்ண தேவையில்ல, just lightly. If you notice, நான் chicken bone கூட எடுத்துருக்கேன், so that the soup la flavor varum. Chicken fry பண்ற டைம்ல always take it, put it skin side down. Skin கீழ இருக்கணும், அப்போ flavor brothல வரும். So I have taken chicken thigh and leg portion with the bone. Only few pieces na breast எடுத்துர்க்கேன், so that the chicken flesh na remove பண்ண முடியும். Once you have added the chicken, increase the heat because we are trying to burn the chicken. And the glaze vanda apprama da and the flavors soup ulla varum. After adding the chicken, on both the sides nanga brown pannom, and the browning process is what flavor add agum to the ramen bowl. Temperature light increase பண்ணுங்க. கொஞ்சம் dark ஆயிடும் chicken, but that's fine. When chicken is brown on all the 4 sides, அப்போ you need to add 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce or dark soy. I am using dark soy. நீங்க light use பண்ணலாம், dark use பண்ணலாம். Anything is fine. நான் dark soy sauce use பண்ணிருக்கேன். நீங்க light இருந்தா யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், if not dark இருந்தா even better, dark யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். soy sauce add பண்ணிட்டீங்க, அதுக்கு அப்புறமா இன்னும் ஒரு தடவை சிக்கனுக்கு டர்ன் பண்ணுங்க. Once this is done, so once soy sauce add பண்ணிட்டோம், அதுக்கு அப்புறமா last ingredient that we are going to add is nothing but star anise. So in the half kg chickenக்கு 2 star anise போதும். Soy sauce generally burn ஆயிடும் சீக்கிரமா if the chicken is not moved. So lighta move pannidunga. You just have to add. Thanni level has to be above the chicken. Soy sauce generally konja salty ah irukum. So salt if you want last la podla or lighta. I'm adding it now. After adding the salt, lighta mix pannidunga because the salt has to dissolve. நான் இப்போ வரைக்கும் broth prepare பண்ணிருக்கேன். Ramen bowl is nothing but a Thai dish. அந்த Thai dishல soft noodles இருக்கும், ஒரு boiled egg இருக்கும், lighta soup இருக்கும் and vegetables desired. Whatever vegetables நீங்க add பண்ணனும் so நீங்க add பண்ணலாம். So அந்த broth தான் இப்போ வரைக்கும் நாங்க prepare பண்ணிருக்கோம். நீங்க இது 45 to 1 hour simmerல வைக்கணும். Because chicken has to get soft, tender ஆகணும், அந்த soup bonesல இருந்து வெளியில வரணும். It has to cook. So ஒரு 45 to 1 hour simmerல இருக்கணும். Once that's done, you strain the broth and you add in your condiments, that is vegetables நீங்க add பண்ணலாம், mushrooms add பண்ணலாம். And if you're a vegetarian, you can always use tofu or paneer or vegetables. So we'll have to just wait. Once this is done, we'll get ready with the ramen bowl. So I'm boiling some water. I'm using regular egg noodles. You can use veg noodles, you can use egg noodles, you can use atta noodles. But focus on getting thin, really thin noodles, because ramen bowl is basically water, just soup. So the soup and this noodle has to also cook. So if you buy very thick noodles, and the noodles will be very hard when you eat it. I'm also going to boil some more water. Now we'll just have to wait for the water to get hot. The water is hot. For 6 minutes is to get the soft. Our ramen is almost done. I'm going to just check if the ramen is cooked. So the best way to find out is to bite, and it should not have any hard edges. It needs another half a minute. Drizzle some oil. If we don't add oil, the noodle will stick. This is done. The last thing that I'm going to add to the broth, if you can see, the broth has nicely thickened. It's nice brown. Chinese lettuce, because it gives a different flavor. You can add the lettuce when your broth is almost done, because the lettuce needs just hardly 2 minutes. Basically a full boiled egg needs to be boiled for 12 minutes, but when you need a perfect bouncy egg, 6 minutes will work. So our chicken is cut, egg is ready. So all I'm going to do is, if you see, the broth is ready. Whenever you cut onion leaves, avoid using a knife because they're very gentle. Always use a scissors, because whenever you use a knife, you kind of jam it too much and the flavor would become bitter. So I'm using a little sweet paprika. You don't have to add salt, because ramen bowl with the soy base is generally salty. I've added a little sesame seeds. Thank you for watching this video. I would appreciate if you could support, like and subscribe this channel. I look forward to your comments and your well wishes. Thank you.